To really get to 30, 40, 50% EVs being sold, you have to appeal to people that are in that $30,000 to $35,000 price range. I think when we look at the portfolio, we look at our brands, I think that's what's going to drive adoption. We're looking at many different scenarios, as any prudent business leader would, to make sure we're ready for however the situation evolves. From a semiconductor perspective, by mid-decade, we're going to be leveraging 3 families of semiconductors that will be able to have higher scale.